There is very simple definition. The magnification due to lens is the ratio of height of the image. What we have considered here? Height of the image to the height of the object. So while we are speaking this term magnification, that time this ratio we have to consider, that is the height of the image to the height of the object. Suppose height of the image is 2 centimeter and height of the object is actual 1 centimeter. So what will you get the magnification? Who will tell me? Now front of you the answer is kept there. What will you get here?
2:1.
2 as to 1 means here directly we will get magnification 2. What will you get here? 2. This magnification due to lens is related to the distance of the object. We have seen already in 9th standard these things. Okay, the distance of the object we are taking it the initial distance we are considering as the u, and the image that is a v, and then magnification we are getting the second formula, that is m is equal to v upon u. V for, we can say, distance of the image, and u for the distance of the object. Got it? Very simple this. Yes or no? It's very simple. Just definition we have to remember, that is the magnification is the ratio of height of the image to the height of object. So when we are speaking about only the height of the image and object, that time we have to consider this formula, that is m is equal to h2 upon h1. h2 for the height of the image and h1 for the height of the object. And when we are speaking related to the distance of the image and object, when we are speaking about the related to the distance of the image and object, that time we have to take the magnification in the form of distance of the image upon distance of the object. Now use your brain power. One question for is given you. From equation 2 and 1, what is the relation between h1, h2, u and v? Anybody can tell what is the relation between it? Yes. Okay, find out this answer. It's I'm leaving for you. Now, we have to see power of lens. How? Now we are using the lens. There are so many lenses. So how its power is measured? This power is measured in the form of, that unit is the picometer. What is unit? Picometer. And when, diopter, not picometer, yes, sorry. It is a diopter. The power of lens, when we have to measure, that time we have to take the reciprocal of focal length. We have to take the reciprocal of the focal length. The capacity of lens to converge or diverge inside rays is called its power. What is meant by capacity of lens to converge or diverge? Either it will be converged. We know that due to the, suppose these light rays are coming, this is our lens is there, and they are converging like this. At one point, we have seen this all things. Okay. So this is the converging. The capacity of lens to converge or diverge is called its power. Okay, and when we have to find this, that time we have to take its reciprocal of the focal length, means we have to take, for finding the power of any lens, its focal length. What do we have to take? Focal length of that lens. Okay, so focal length you can write like this: P is equal to 1 upon F in meter. We are writing in the meter, and the unit of power is diopter. What is it? Diopter. Okay, 1 diopter is equal to 1 upon 1 meter. 1 diopter is equal to 1 upon 1 meter. Now, when we are going to speak about the two lenses, combination of two lenses, then what will get? Power. Then when we have to take power of two lenses, that time we are writing this formula: 1 upon F, total F1, first power focal length plus second power focal length. So you will get here this combination of two lenses, this formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2. Got it? Yes or no? Speak something. Alisha, have you understood it or not? Apurva,
Yes, sir.
Rogangwar,
Yes, sir.
Om Torat, Adav Sakshi, Shweta, समजते का काय चाललंय ते? Okay, then we are going to see the solid examples which are given on this based. So what is this first question? An object is placed vertically at a distance of 20 centimeter from a convex lens. If the height of the object is 5 centimeter and the focal length of lens is 10 centimeter, what will be the position, size, and nature of the image? How much bigger will the image be as compared to the object? So height of the object. Read question once again. An object is placed vertically at a distance of 20 centimeter from a convex lens. Suppose this is your lens. Okay. And that object is kept vertically like this. We can say we vertically means like this. Okay. 20 centimeter vertically at a 20 centimeter from a convex lens. This convex lens, this between distance is 20 centimeter. Then, if the height of the object, this object's height is actually, this is a 5 centimeter, and the focal length of the lens. So, what is the focal length? You will tell me focal length.
Distance between the optical center and principal focus.
So, distance between this optical center O and suppose here principal focus anywhere. Suppose here. So, it is how much? 10 centimeter. How much? 10 centimeter. So it's a convex lens. See this? This lens is the convex lens. Due to that reason, we will get here focus here, principal focus. So it is a 10 centimeter. Okay. Then what we have to find here? What will be the position, size, and nature of the image? We have to find first position, size, and nature. And second, how much bigger will the image be as compared to the object? Now, whatever given thing, write it. Height of the object, h1 is equal to 5 centimeter. h1 is equal to 5 centimeter. Then focal length is given 10 centimeter. Distance of the object minus 20 centimeter. Why? Can you tell me what is the reason behind it? Minus 20 centimeter. If you see this about this object, we are always keeping left hand side of the lens. So this is left hand side. And according to our sign convention, which signs are present this side? Negative signs. They are positive signs. Okay. So due to that is minus 20 centimeter. Then we have to find image distance. Where that image will be formed, we have to find it. Then height of the image h2. And last one, how much bigger means magnification. How much bigger means magnification we have to find here. So we can write the formula 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. This is the your lens formula. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Now we can rearrange this formula like this. 1 upon V is equal to this minus 1 upon V. We can take this side, it will become there positive. Okay, so we'll get here 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon U plus 1 upon F. Why? Because we have to find their distance of the image. Distance of object given. But what we have to find? Distance of image, and you can use this formula 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon U plus 1 upon F. Then we know the value of U, the distance of the object from the lens, that is the minus 20 centimeter. We can write 1 upon minus 20 plus what is their principal focus? The focal length is given from the optical center to this, it is a plus 10 centimeters. So we'll get it's 1 upon minus 20 plus 1 upon 10. Then here bases are not same, denominators are not same. We have to do it same. Then what do we have to do? We have to multiply this side by 2. When we have to do addition, subtraction that time, we have to multiply or we have to make their equal denominators. So we have taken here 2 ones are 2 and 2 tens are 20. So what will we get here? Minus 1 plus 2 upon 20. Why like this? Can you tell me what is the reason behind it? Here, this minus sign was given here below. We have considered as the upside and it's both. The denominator is 20. So due to that reason, this minus 1, here 2 minus 1 plus 2 upon 20. So what we will get here? 1 upon b is equal to 1 upon 20. But we have to find the value of v. What is a v? V means distance of the image, and that we have to take 20 centimeter, because here also this is the inverse. This is the inverse and this is also inverse. So due to that reason, directly we can consider v equal to 20 centimeter. Getting it? Yes or no? Are you getting it, students? Speak something. Are you getting it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now here we have to consider, first we have seen, we have got the size, 1 minute. Okay. Now we have to find here position, size and nature. Okay. Bigger how much, that we can find here. The positive sign of the image distance shows the image is formed at 20 centimeter on the other side of the lens. Means we have considered like this lens, and is our answer is the positive due to the image is formed this side. Okay, image is formed this side means the right hand side, and lens we have kept the object left hand side of the lens. Now magnification. For magnification, what is our formula? H2 upon H1, because here given distance of the image and distance of the object, and then we can consider this H2 upon H1 is equal to V upon U. Why we have taken this? Because here in this problem we got this distance of the object and distance of the image from the lens. Now this we can rearrange H2. This H2 we can write here, and then V upon U multiplied by H1. Then we got it 20 centimeter. U we know that is the initial minus 20, and H1 means height of the object. It's 5 centimeter. So what will you get? 21 that 20 remain there minus 1. So minus 1 into 5. So what will you get? H2 is minus 5 centimeter. And then magnification, we will write V upon U. 20 upon minus 20 will get minus 1, and it is a negative sign of the height of the image. That magnification shows that the image is inverted and real. Image is inverted and real, because when we are considering like this lens is here and object is here, so where we are getting this image like this here. Here we get the image. So due to that reason, it's there real and inverted. Understood? Yes or no? And one more thing, it is a below the principal axis, due to that reason its size will be the same. Size will not change. Okay. Now second problem is here. The focal length of a convex lens is 20 centimeter. Focal length is given, convex lens. And what is the power? Very simple thing. Convex lens is given and focal length always positive. For convex lens, what will be there? Focal length is always positive, because focal length is here. From the optical center, it will be there positive. And we have to find the power of lens. So we know the formula, power of lens, 1 upon here. But now here one thing, this given focal length in centimeters, we have to convert into the meter. Then what is there? 20 centimeter is equal to 0.2 meter. Then 1 upon 0.2 will get the pi diameter. What will get the answer? Pi diameter. Now I'm going to give you some problems here that you have to solve. Okay. Same. The focal length of a convex lens is given here. 40 centimeter. You have to find its power. Who will tell me? What will be the power? Mythili Gorde, Alicia, Apurva, what is the power? Sai Kanade, Dipali Veske, Bhumi Shinde, speak. Ajinkya Sable. What will be the answer?
2 point
2 point.
2.5.
Very good. 2.5. It's very easy problem. Okay. So its answer will be 2.5 diopter. Okay.